The U.S. Surgeon General tells CBN News his priority is to keep the outbreak in perspective, not worrying about over or even underselling it. So yes, it is a serious global threat, but Dr. Jerome Adams says the White House is on top of it.
Thank you.
An elbow bump from the U.S. Surgeon General, his version of a handshake amid a health crisis.
We do know there are some high-risk groups, and we want people to be aware if they're at high risk.
That includes seniors with underlying conditions like diabetes or heart and lung disease. A majority of the deaths in the U.S. focused around a Washington state elder care center.
People over 60 are much more likely to have complications, have to be hospitalized, need medical attention, and people over 80 are the ones who are dying at the highest rate from coronavirus.
Masks and hand sanitizers are sold out. The big question is, do they work? Are they effective in stopping the spread of the virus?
Well, masks are not effective in preventing the general public from getting coronavirus. Most masks just protect other people from you. They don't protect you from them.
Hand sanitizers do work, but not as effective as hand washing.
I know you got a lot of questions.
Health officials have been fielding questions and concerns after the virus passed the point of containment.
You will likely see a few coronavirus cases in your community by the time this is all said and done, but that doesn't mean that people have to be harmed, that people have to die. If we protect those who are most at risk.
The number of cases around the world surpassing 110,000. This as New York declares a state of emergency and calls for more testing.
Let the states test, let private labs test, let's increase as quickly as possible.
We expect testing to go up tremendously over the next week. We went from several thousand tests last week to 1 million tests out there right now.
Now, Dr. Adams is stressing preparedness over panic. That includes avoiding close contact with sick people, not touching your eyes, nose, or mouth, and washing your hands frequently. Ben Kennedy, CBN News,